Now let us create a method inside our class using class builder SC24. Let us go to our class, display, and click on the change button. So this is the attribute we have earlier created. So now we will be creating a method. Let us create a method called person and label as instant and public and give some description. Press enter, save it. So now we have created a method. Now we will be writing a code inside this method person. To write a code inside the method person, we need to click on this button beside the exception, this button, to write code. So click on it. Here inside it we will write a code, write name, save it, check for any errors and activate it. So now this is how we create a method inside a class using SC24. Now let us see how to call this method using a program in SC38. So for this we will go to the SC38 first program and let us first declare three local variables, type ref2 our class, and let us try to assign some names to the attribute we have defined in the class using these objects, and let us try to call the method which write out the names. So now let us create the object. Create object 1, 2, 3. Now let us assign some names to the variable name using these objects like Peter, John, and Mark. Now let us call the method. For calling method we use a keyword call method. Object name hyphen greater than symbol and the method person. Same we will call the object to person. Call method person. Let us now try to first save it, check for any syntax error, activate it, and press on the execute button. So Peter, John, Mark. So this is how we call the method using the objects. So we can also call the method. There is an option here on the pattern. Click on the pattern, select object ABAP object patterns, click. Now here LR object, it was LR object 3 in the class ZCL first class method person, and click on OK. The system automatically creates this. The result is the same thing. So this is how you create a method in a class builder SC24 and call this method using the objects in our program in SC38. Hope you understood. Meet you in the next video.